Hi everyone, today we're doing an honest review of Vuemax.io, an AI-powered video tool that promises to help creators make viral content fast. We'll cover pricing, what you get in the cheapest plan, what users are saying online, and what we could find about the company behind it. What is Vuemax.io? Vuemax is an AI video creation platform that offers tools for AR-generated videos, AR voiceovers, script writing, auto captions, watermark removal, and more. Their goal is to help creators quickly produce social media-ready video content using AI without starting from scratch. Pricing and free trial. There are no gratis or free plans, so you must buy at least basic plan to start using Vuemax. Plans start at $19 per month when billed annually. You have 200 Vuemax credits, Sora 2 video generator, AI voiceover, script generator, auto captions, and up to 100 video exports. Vuemax credits are used to generate content like video scripts, voiceovers. Many users report that you hit limits quickly on lower plans. For $34, you have more credits, YouTube downloader, and community access. And 49 highest credits Sora 2 Pro and 1080p, which means that you don't have it in lower plans. What you can make with the cheapest plan? With the 200 credits in the basic plan, you can generate about dozens of AI videos, create voiceovers with AI narration, and generate scripts or captions. These credits are typically consumed by each individual task, generating a video clip, crafting a script, or doing auto captioning. So, depending on how much content you make, 200 credits can go fast. User reviews. I didn't find any reviews on Trustpilot, but on Reddit and online forums, some users say they have trouble with prompt responses, like submitting basic prompts by getting errors or only few successful videos. Company info. Scam detection sites say the domain is likely safe but very new, and the owner's identity is hidden in Whois records, which makes it harder to verify who's behind the project. So it's not easy to tell exactly who runs the company or where it is based, which is something you should consider before subscribing. Final thoughts. So is Vuemax worth it? If you are a creator experimenting with AI video tools, it's worth checking out. But don't expect magic. The credit limits and mixed user experiences mean it's not perfect. Also, the lack of transparency about the company behind it is something to watch. If you want alternatives that are more established or offer clear free trials, we'll cover those in another video. That's all. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.